Today we're going to look at Holtzman's Survival Neck Knife. Let me show you what's inside. So we got a bunch of advertising. This one is the important one, which is the instructions on different ways you want to put your belt clips, because there's two options for that. And it tells you everything in there, so that's a nice little detail. Here's the knife, which you've already seen in my YouTube shorts. Very comfortable, very smooth. Do like the handle, very nice micarta handle. 3 fingers, jimping's fine, doesn't hurt. Very nice blade, very sharp as well. So that's just part of it. But let me show you the other bits that come with it. So here you have a little clip, which will go onto your sheath, and the sheath looks like this. So it's well thought out. You get a spot here for your ferro rod, and you got a little knife sharpening edge here. Plenty of attachment points, so if you want to have it sit a certain way, you know, it can. Let me move that out of the way. So the retention on this, to me, is really good. So the retention is like, for a neck knife, it's strong enough that it's not going to fall out, definitely. This ain't coming out. And then it's just strong enough to do one-handed. So you can just pop it out. So to me, that's just your right amount of retention. I don't want to have to use 2 hands to do it, so you don't need to do that with this one. So it snaps right in there. There is a little, there you go. There is a little hole there for water to come out if your knife gets dirty and all the rest of it. Again, snaps in there fine. And still compact. I do like the flat bit, so it stops it from flipping around so much, and it sticks more close to your body, where some of them, say like a Mora, just kind of spins around a bit. You also get another clip here, which again, this is quite tough. This isn't a like a cheap one, knockoff one you can get. This one's actually pretty good. I do have some that come with sheaths, and they're bits crap, and this one you can hear the snap on that, so that's pretty good. Another nice item that comes with it, which is looks really good, is the micarta ferro rod. It's not a super thick one, it's there, but it does look nice and it does feel nice, and the handle on it is just long enough. So that's a good little add-on there, and it fits quite snug on there. That's not going to come out anyway. And I know you put the elastic over the end anyway, but that's nice and snug. It also comes with a chain. I probably wouldn't use this bit around my neck in case of losing it and kind of thing. This is more of, I would say, if you're going through thick woods and that kind of thing, you worry about choking yourself. But where I'm going now, paracord's fine. I'm not too worried about that. And you also get an Allen key here for setting this all up. So you got your Phillips on one side and just your normal Allen key on the other. So to me, I've been using this for a little bit. I haven't had any cons. Everything's been working well. Like I said, it's super sharp, D2 steel. For a neck knife, the overall length of this is 6 inches or 152.4 millimeters. I do like the black and green combination on it, and the 3-inch ferro rod that comes with it as well. It's just a good combination. I think it's well thought out. They have Gorilla. Sorry, I got my little cold. Holtzman's Gorilla has a few knives out. Hopefully I get to test out some of the bigger ones, like the bushcraft one. For the UK, make sure you keep this at camp, as in like you're not walking around the streets and during the day, because this would be illegal. But other parts of the world, you can EDC this knife. He's mainly selling this in the States anyway. Hopefully he's going to branch out into the UK, because I like his brand. I'll put all the links in the description box below, where you can find, again, it mainly sold out of Amazon.com. You can find them all on there. Look at that, nice bright scales. Very smooth. Alright, let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next video. Bye.